Okay, hey guys, how's it going? This is just a quick video because I could never find one on YouTube. I have an HP HDX 16 and I had a screen flickering problem, as you can see right there. Basically what I did is I took the bezel out up here, and there's the wire right there that's causing the problem. Whenever it's touching the metal parts of the sides, it starts flickering, so I just adjusted it, and I put some electrical tape underneath it, see if that'll fix the problem. But it seems to have fixed it so far.